What's up? My name is Chewy from Fortuna, California, and you're watching The Daily Grind.
I see a sky with a rainy car, but I'm not running.
Hey, good morning. Hi. With your bed head and everything. I'm currently rushing to get an edit going for 10 a.m. because my mom is here visiting. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
So we were chatting last night and this morning, so I was super tired. Didn't get it uploaded, but we are 25 minutes from finishing up. By the way, I bought an eGPU. I wanted to cut. Oh, here's my new setup. I'll make a full video on the new setup fairly soon. But in the meantime, hello. I'm gonna take the GTR out today. You guys wanna come with? I know you. Say bye for now. She already knows. Let's get the GTR. I have a feeling today is gonna be one of those run and gun vlogs, like When Is It Never, right? With my vlog. I'm in the truck, headed over to the office to pick up the GTR, to drive all the way to Orange County to have some lunch with my family. I feel really bad. Now here's the thing. My family's here, they haven't visited in a long time. My mom hasn't been to my house in over almost like 2 years, 3 years. And I have like this huge deadline for the escape room and everything else. I would like to work because I kind of need to, but I'm just gonna take this super long lunch break and get some family time in and then go home and work.
Something I wouldn't dare to think I would be doing.
Wow.
Oh god, I don't want to meet your videos.
That's too bad now. My nephew Johnny Boy, no matter how old you get, you're still Johnny Boy to me. You're like a solid 24 now. Still Johnny, 25? Still Johnny Boy. But we're in the GTR. It's not his first time in the GTR, but we're actually headed over to Orange County. It's like a nice solid 1 hour drive from where I am. Let's go. Bam! In the city of Garden Grove. Actually, this is Fountain Valley now. This restaurant moved from one of our favorite spots over to this place. Hi, love. Say hi to the vlog. It's a family fun vlog.
She's usually not camera shy at all. What's up, sis? What's up? What's up? What's up, Jack? Hi, Mom. Not impressed.
Bam! Finished lunch. Now we're headed over to Omar's place. Bother him at his office. I just wowed my mom with air suspension. She didn't know. She was like, "How do you drive this low?" Air suspension, man.
Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 4:45 p.m. At 1:49 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorm.
Apparently, we have a flash flood warning in our area. I don't see a cloud in the sky, but I'm no weatherman.
No, come and take me for the invite, please don't cry. You gotta keep your head up, even when the road is hard. Never give up. I'm not about to have to pay.
What's up? Say hi to the vlog. What'd you drive today? Ooh, the Range Rover? You guys are fancy. Oh, look where we are. We're gonna go bother Omar at the office. Yeah, look at this. Where's Omar? Is it Omar? Say hi. Say hi.
She just wake up. She's like, what's happening? This guy.
I drove an hour here so I can make fun of you. Sit down. You ready?
Let's start.
Guys, we have news. She's not crying with Omar.
I'm always holding her, so.
Lies. So Omar will be in the video tomorrow. It's Aaliyah's baby dedication. So we're gonna take her to church, and then Omar's one of the godparents. So he's gonna be there at the house. Tomorrow's vlog will just be us hanging out and a little party. $1,000.
No shit.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I couldn't get the meth to turn on.
Oh, okay.
I think I'm booked.
Yeah, it sounds good. I can hear you from far.
Yeah. I gotta get that meth thing filled up.
Down like no man. Say what you say. Give me that ball beat from Drake. Piece of my
Like your car. You just never know who you're gonna meet in traffic. Like, I'm stuck in traffic. My trip is an extra 40 minutes now because of this. But you never know who you're gonna meet. Met a guy with like 700 and some horsepower, Beamer, super cool 240. It's a purple one, which is interesting because I had a purple car once upon a time. So guys, I'm legit kind of worried because I've got this service engine soon coming on and it says an engine malfunction. And I'm currently sitting in traffic, so this is an issue because I'm roughly an hour away from home and I've got no other option but to drive through this. I could pull over and try to get a scanner on here, but I don't know how much that's gonna do for me. I can get home and park it and then possibly get a scanner tomorrow. But I've got a ton of work I have to do. So a little bit concerning, not too sure what's the issue with it. The car runs fine, the temps are okay. Nothing's out of whack. I mean, there's gauges for almost everything in this car and everything looks good right now. Like it's not running weird. There's no weird clunking. There's nothing that feels weird. The auto response is very good. So it's just kind of odd why it's happening. So all we can do is try to head home. Yo, it's a Kia Stinger. That's the one I saw in Vegas. Remember we took a ride in it? That was really cool. We took an entire ride in the Stinger because we were there super early last year when I was hosting it. It looks good in person. Interior looks so freaking good in that car. If you put another brand on it, I would never know it's a Kia. The headlights look fucking awesome. The bumpers, the body lines look so damn good. Look at these, really important. I'll talk more about these in another day, but look at these videos. These are labeled and some in Vietnamese, dated 1990, 1989, holy shit. No label on this one, 1993, my childhood videos. So excited for these videos. I like cannot put into words, like my heart is like beating so fast. I want to watch them, but they're VHS. We don't have any, so we're gonna try to get it transferred. I hear someone's up front. What is going on over here? What's up, dude? What's up, Mike? How's it going? How's it going? Good. What is this? Oh shit!
That's for you.
That's awesome. That is awesome.
I looked at it and thought about you.
Dude, thank you. I should get the respect and loyalty. That'd be a cool one, right?
Yeah.
I'll put this in my car right now. You just grab. Hey, kind of a warning. Most of the weekend is gonna consist of like a lot of family stuff. My mom is visiting, and my sister, my nephews and nieces. So I really want to spend a lot of time with them as much as I can. So I'm gonna apologize now if there's not a lot of car footage. There's a lot of eating footage. We as a family love to eat. We love our foods. We love joking around. So you'll see a lot of that. If you guys aren't into it, just skip a few days of vlogs or watch some of the older 700 other videos. I want to apologize just because I feel really bad. But I don't want to miss on daily uploads. I don't want to miss on these like home video style vlogs because it's pretty important to me to capture these, especially since my mom brought me these. And these are literally my memories of childhood and fragmented memories of my head, but these are the puzzle pieces that are missing, which is on tape. So I want to keep these vlogs as kind of the same documentation. So I'm just gonna apologize now, but I love you guys for sticking around. If you guys have any questions, just leave in the comments below, dude. I don't ever mind answering them. Snapchat's always a good way to reach me if you guys want to ever talk to me. DMs are a lot harder on Instagram for some odd reason. Just get a lot more of those, but Snapchats are pretty easy. I go through them every night. Okay, guys, I'm gonna say goodnight. You guys have a great day. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye.